Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 1 matrices and determinants. We are going to say example 1.26. They have given a word problem and we have to form the table. So I have drawn the table already. So we'll see what we are going to do in the table. So two commodities are given and each production 0.4 ton of steel and 0.7 ton of coal. So here our 0.4 comes here in steel and 0.7 comes here for the coal to produce 1 ton of steel. So to produce 1 ton of steel they need this much. Okay, and similarly coming to the next one, 1 ton of steel, so here it is 1 ton of steel and 0.6 ton of coal to produce 1 ton of coal. Okay, so our x1 x2 is 1 and 1. Okay, then no capital limits are needed. Do you think that the system is viable? Okay, 2 and 5 labor days are required for coal. So first 2 goes to coal and 5 comes to the steel. Okay, if economy needs 100 tons of coal, so 100 tons of coal and 50 tons of steel, calculate the gross output. So they are asking us our gross output. Okay, so this is going to be our first question, and the total labor days, and this is going to be our second question. So we are going to answer two questions in this one. And now let's proceed. So, and they have asked whether it is viable. So it is viable means we have to check our Hawkins-Simons condition and then only we have to go. Now we can go into our technology matrix B. Now technology matrix B is nothing but B11, B12, B21, B22. Since here our x1 and x2 are 1 and 1, you can write directly this as A, B11, 1, 2. Similarly, this is A21, A22, isn't it? So you can directly write this for B1 because you are going to divide only by 1, so no changes there. So B11 is going to be 0.4 and B12 is going to be 0.1. Similarly, here 0.7 and 0.6. This is going to be our B matrix. Okay, so after finding the B matrix, we have to find out I minus B to check our Hawkins-Simons condition. 1, 0, 0, 1 minus 0.4, 0.1, 0.7, 0.6. So you are going to get it as 0.6 minus 0.1 minus 0.7 and 0.4. Okay, our main diagonal is plus, so our first condition is okay. Now we'll find out I minus B determinant. That is going to be, you're going to multiply and give the answer. Okay, so this is going to be 0.24 minus 0.07, that is nothing but 0.17. This is also is greater than 0. So both our conditions are, so this is greater than 0 and this is also greater than 0. So first condition and second condition both are satisfied. Therefore we can write it as Hawkins-Simons condition is satisfied, therefore it is viable. So totally you are answering for 3 questions. Okay, now after this we have to find the solution, gross output. Okay, x we have to find out. So x is nothing but I minus b the whole inverse into d. Okay, our d is 50 and 100 here. Okay, this is our D1. I have not named it. It is D1 and D2. This is our D1 and D2. So now we have to find out I minus B the whole inverse. What is our whole inverse? 1 by determinant of I minus B into adjoint I minus B. This you can write it directly. 1 by 0.17. Inverting this 0.4, 0.6 and changing the sign, you get it as this. Okay, now solution into D. So 1.0.17 into 0.4, 0.1, 0.7, 0.6 into our D is going to be 50 and 100. So when you multiply, you will get it as 1 by 0.17 into 200, so 1 decimal plus 100 1 decimal. Similarly here 350 1 decimal and 600 1 decimal. So your answer is going to be 1 by 0.17 into 30 and 95. So when you divide by this decimal, you can use your calculator. 176.5 and 558.8. This is going to be our x1, gross output x1 and x2. So we have found out with the first question, and the second question asks the total labor days required. Okay, so this is going to be our steel output and this is going to be our coal output. Okay, next we are going to go to total labor days. What is our total labor days? How many days they have given? 5 into steel output plus 2 into coal output. Okay, so you are going to get it as 5 into 176.5 plus 2 into 558.8, that is going to be 882.5 plus 1117.6, which is equal to 2000.1, and when you approximate this, it's going to be 2000 labor days. So this is the answer for the second question. Thank you.